This layout style is exactly why some Canva designs instantly feel like professional brand campaigns. Today, how to create brand-style frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting one large rectangular frame slightly off-center and place your main image inside, adjusting the crop carefully to establish focus. Add two smaller supporting frames around it to build a clean brand composition. Select the background and apply a muted neutral gradient using beige, charcoal, or soft gray tones. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create subtle layered depth. Add thin geometric accents with lower